Number 1. Hand Casting Kit. This kit is a gateway to create timeless keepsakes that beautifully capture the essence of cherished moments. Whether it's creating a mold of your loved one and your hands intertwined or capturing the adorable bond between your kids and you, the molds turned out impeccable. Number 2. Trigger Point Massage Tool. The unique design allows you to reach all body muscle groups from the neck to the feet, relaxing tight, spasmodically, and muscle knots with self-massage tools, making a perfect gift for your family and friends on any occasion. Number 3. Foot Roller Massage Tool. Whether you are suffering from plantar fasciitis, aching heels, sore arches, or neuropathy, this sturdy wooden foot massager roller is here to relieve tensions. Number 4. A Smiling Women Corkscrew. This is an adorable and elegant bottle open. You will love the way this looks on your bar card. Number 5. Personalized and inspirational bracelets. These simple bracelets are etched with motivation words inside, making a unique gift for a teen girl or woman who needs some reminding once in a while. Number 6. The Comfy Original Wearable Blanket. Pull your legs into the plush fluffy Sherpa to cover yourself completely on the couch. Roll the sleeves up to make yourself a snack, and move around freely while taking your warmth wherever you go. Don't worry about slipping or sliding sleeves. It doesn't drag on the floor either. Number 7. 3D Printing Moon Lamp. Comes with a wooden stand. This moon lamp just looks like a real moon in the dark night. 16 selectable colors and stepless adjustable brightness. Create a comfortable and romantic atmosphere in your room, and also make a perfect gift idea for anyone. Number 8. Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Throw Blanket. This kind of realistic food pattern throw blanket will make a funny gift for your family and friends. When you are wrapped inside this soft and warm tortilla blanket, your friends will be jealous. They also want to be giant human tortilla. Number 9. Air Compression Hand Massager. A perfect solution for soothing away the aches and stress of your hands. Making a thoughtful gift idea for any computer worker, pianist, and housewife in your life.